Hey guys, today we're gonna make a very easy eggless chocolate mousse using only about 4 or 5 different ingredients. Hey, I'm Chef Kyle from Kyle's Creations, here to make simple and healthy recipes for everyday living. Click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for all my latest recipes. There are optional ingredients that I'm gonna be using: the orange zest, some espresso powder, and vanilla extract. You really could make this chocolate mousse with only these ingredients here. These are additional ingredients. Feel free to use them if you have them. If you don't, you can omit it. So first thing, we're gonna infuse the heavy cream. Heavy cream is going in. And use my induction burner, medium heat. Coffee powder is going in. Orange zest is going in. Infuse that. We're gonna heat this up. Okay, shut this off, cover it for a few minutes, okay? Now take the infused heavy cream, strain out the zest. We don't have to wash this out. I'm gonna add some hot water to this. You don't need a lot, just about an inch. Put the bowl back over. I have chocolate in here. I'm using dark and milk chocolate. You can always use either milk or dark chocolate based on your preference. If you want to know more information about dark chocolate, please click my WebMD links in the description box below. So add the chocolate. Anytime you're working with chocolate, you don't want to add any water to this. Heavy cream has some liquid in there, but this is fine because there's enough fat in the heavy cream so that it becomes stable. Otherwise, the chocolate may break. Okay, take this off now. This smells lovely. I can smell the chocolate notes, some of that orange zest. And you notice I didn't add any vanilla extract while this is being heated up because I don't want the other aromatics in the vanilla to escape through heat. So basically we're just using indirect heat to heat up the chocolate, and then I infuse it with some salt and vanilla extract and mix everything together. Ganache can be equal parts chocolate to equal parts heavy cream. See how luscious and smooth that is? This is not broken. If the chocolate is very warm, we want to let this cool down before we add it to the whipped cream, which is the next step. The last part of this recipe, right? Add all the heavy cream, and we're going to whip this up first. Whip up the heavy cream on high for about 3 to 5 minutes until medium peaks start to form. You'll know it's medium peaks when the tip of the whipped cream droops a little bit. Then add 2 to 4 tablespoons of honey, depending on how sweet you like it, and you're done. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this heavy cream, and that can sort of just mix in just to get this going. Add all the honey whipped cream that we have here, and then we're just going to fold this in. Okay, it's all mixed together perfectly. Transfer the chocolate mousse to a piping bag and cut off the tip. Pipe the no egg chocolate mousse halfway into a cup or ramekin. Next, cover the mousse with plastic wrap and allow it to set in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. We're back, and I have a cookie here. You can even put this on the bottom. You can use your favorite cookie. This is a perfect dessert for young children to make, or a date night. And I have some whipped cream, and you see here I just added some cut lines so that we can get a swirl going. Cool. Very nice. A little bit of dark chocolate on top. Look at this wonderful dessert. Very easy to make, only a few ingredients, and you can spring for the additional ingredients if you have it. So I'm going to show you the inside of this. Look at that. Look at that texture. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for all my latest recipes. So hit that notification bell. And I have another 2 desserts that I'd like to plug. One is a chocolate cupcake with some whipped topping on top. Very lovely, very nice, and it doesn't actually use any egg in that. And the second recipe I have is a banana chocolate chip cookie. So different ways to use similar ingredients, and you have a different result, but they're all delicious depending on what kind of dessert you like. So as always, stay tuned for the next episode and take care.